I'm Mark Kottner, the Business and Industry Services Director for Central Technology Center, and I get the opportunity to work with many of our local business and industries. We like to say that we provide training 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. Many of our clients have 3 shifts. They run 24 hours a day and they need a forklift class taught at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we're there for them. We do everything from 1-hour safeties that we go out to these companies once a month, provide an awareness level training to meet some OSHA regulations and training for their companies, up through OSHA 10s, OSHA 30s, 40-hour HAZWOPers. We do a lot of hands-on training with safety. That includes forklift, overhead crane, sky lift, confined space, fall protection, ladder safety, fire extinguisher operation. In addition to safety, we do a lot of customized training. So not all of it is classroom, some of it's hands-on. Again, we do have training facilities in both Drumright and Sapulpa. Most of the training happens out in the company where we're able to train specifically on the equipment that their employees will be utilizing. We do a lot of training for pipeline companies, oil and gas companies. We have the pipeline training facility we put in to assist companies with training that are involved with the either gas or oil pipeline. We can certify them with OQ training, with NCCR training, ISNet World assistance, everything really from basic electrical up through programmable logic controls, motor controls, welding, hydraulics, pneumatics. If we move from the shop area to the front office area, we also customize training for Microsoft Office Suite. All of our trainers come from industry. We're not just teaching from the book. All of these individuals worked in the career fields utilizing the skills that they actually go in and teach on. Over the years, we've developed a strong relationship with our local business and industry who see us as a business partner. And I think one of the things that allows us to do that is we're not out to make money. We are not for profit, we're the tax dollars at work. And I think that's what sets us aside. When we come out to assist them, it's not really a sales call. We're there to actually provide support, answer questions, and see what we can do to help them be successful.